Understanding tiptoe around, a phrase in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll be exploring the phrase, tiptoe around. This is a common expression in English, but it can be a bit confusing for learners. So, let's get started and unravel its meaning together. The phrase, tiptoe around, is an idiom. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To tiptoe around, something means to deal with a situation, person, or issue very carefully to avoid causing offense or disruption. Imagine someone literally tiptoeing to avoid making noise. This visual helps understand the figurative use of the phrase in conversations. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. She always tiptoes around her boss's mood swings. 2. Here, it means the person is being very careful not to upset her boss. 3. We were tiptoeing around the topic of money at the family reunion. 4. This suggests avoiding a potentially uncomfortable subject. These examples help illustrate the context and application of the phrase in everyday conversations. Understanding synonyms can help solidify the meaning. Some synonyms for tiptoe around are walk on eggshells, handle with kid gloves, beat around the bush. All these phrases convey a sense of caution and carefulness in dealing with sensitive issues or people. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, tiptoe around. Remember, idioms like this can add flavor to your language and help you sound more like a native speaker. I hope this video has been informative and has helped demystify this interesting phrase for you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.